Are you ready to dive into the world of project management? Hit that subscribe button as we explore how to stay relevant in the agile workforce. Configuration management, much like change management, is going to occur on every project. So as a project manager, you're going to be tasked with understanding and making sure that configurations are managed on your projects. So let's review this study guide. It's on the EverTech and the project leaders page. So download this and follow along. Changes are part of every project. So that's the reason why you have to have configuration management. Configuration management is a process to establish methods, tools, systems, procedures, and control elements of the change process. So this is very tied to that change management process. It's a process that is used to manage changes to a product or a service that is being produced. Changes can be technical and also administrative and direction. And it is also a process, like I mentioned, to manage those changes to the products and services being produced. Controls to product interactions. It also ensures that the product specifications are current, and it controls the steps for reviewing and approving product prototypes, testing standards, and drawings or blueprints. Let me repeat that again. Changes can be technical and administrative, such as controls to product interactions. It could also ensure the product specifications are made and maintained at a current standard. And it also controls the steps for reviewing and approving product prototypes, testing standards, drawings, and blueprints. Let's talk about a configuration management system. A configuration management system is a set of tools that contains procedures that help technical and administrative guidance for identifying and recording the characteristics of products or service, controlling the changes made to the characteristics, documenting the changes, and the status of implementation. It all verifies the product conformance to the requirements. Verifying the product conformance to the requirement. Configuration management system. It's one of the subsystems of the configuration management system is the change control system. But when combining it, you integrate it with that integrated control system, and it provides a standardized and effective way of managing approved changes and baselines within a project. Configuration control involves specifying the deliverables and processes, while change control system consists of identifying, recording, and supervising changes to the project baseline. So the configuration management system has a lot of benefits, and let's discuss those benefits. Some benefits include early identification and accommodation of changes. It assures that all requirements remain clear, concise, valid, which allows the project team the ability to mitigate the impact on those changes. It records the chronological events and issues. So it creates an audit trail, and it provides an internal feedback mechanism to ensure that the project performance criteria are being met. The project manager needs to develop a configuration management and records management plan to make sure that the design and contract documentation are identified and the system is established to monitor, track, and revise anything throughout the design, bid, procurement, construction, and closeout phases of the project. All project coordination and correspondence and contract submissions are processed and filed effectively and systematic. Requests for change to any contract are tracked. Reviews and responses for the owner are also timely tracked and responded to accordingly. And complete audit trails for each change request are provided with clear and also in a concise manner. Records for decisions and all documentation regarding contracts, documentation, and baselines that are being maintained are easily retrievable. And there are many configuration tools. So we're going to talk about some listed on this study guide. Once again, download this study guide on both either the EverTech or the Project Leaders page. The most effective manner includes a database system. Should automate and support project contract management and change control procedures. The system should integrate into any existing organizational structure and processes. It should be easily customizable, and it should account for any project requirement. It should support requests for informations or change, design consultant and contract changes, configuration control for design documents, construction changes, contract submissions, and tracking or review, action items, issues and tracking, claims management, and also records management. Once again, thank you for watching. I want you to download this study guide and subscribe to this channel. Look forward to you coming back again. See you again. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more project management content. See you on the next one.